Today, I have no pain at all. This procedure absolutely changed my life. Hello, my name is Sherry Dupont, and I just had rotator cuff surgery on May 20th, 2020. Having this procedure allowed me to do everything I always did before, and I do it all. Put down flooring with my son, I do backsplash, tile, you name it, I build it, I do it. But I got where I was aching all the time, and I was living on ibuprofen. So having this surgery totally brought me back to my 100% self. The first time I met with Dr. Rickenbach, he was very kind, very gentle, and he listened. He listened to me, he listened to my aches and pains, and then explained to me what he would do to fix the torn rotator cuff. And then, even in surgery, he found a partial bicep tear and fixed that as well. So he totally examined my shoulder while he was in there. But I felt like I was in the hands of a professional and that he truly cared about me. Dr. Rickenbach said he has two kinds of patients, the kind that he has to sit on and the kind that he has to kick to keep them moving because they don't do anything. He said, you're a sit-on, so be careful. And I did everything I was supposed to do with therapy and more, and I have never in my life felt better. I feel like I have 100%. I can even go behind my head. It's wonderful. To me, Dr. Rickenbach's staff is just like him, very compassionate and caring. They went out of their way to make me comfortable, to help me. It almost felt like family. They were taking care of you. To me, I felt comfortable, and that's important, very important. He fixed everything in my shoulder, and I have never, ever felt better. And I would highly recommend him to anybody who has a shoulder or a hand problem. Go to Dr. Rickenbach.